Good afternoon, students. It's a pandemic period, we are knowing, and we cannot conduct the practicals in the laboratories. Today we are doing the virtual practicals and the terms regarding the practicals. So, myself, Dr. Mrs. Smita, I am teaching you the inorganic practicals and the section which is of grammatic analysis. Today is the 14th June and the Monday, and we will think and understand clear about the practicals regarding the grammatic analysis. Do you know the chemistry without practicals it will not happen. So the practicals with the practices it should be done. Qualitative and the quantitative, these are the two ways where that chemistry practicals are run much more. Quantitative way where quantity is to be concerned in more way, and whereas in the quality that the quality it is to be measured. So the grammatic analysis is the quantitative analysis of the practical. The inorganic practicals has the 35 marks for the BSc part 2, and the grammatic estimation of iron as a Fe2O3 from a solution containing ferrous ammonium sulfate and free sulfuric acid. And second practical of grammatic analysis, it is the grammatic estimation of barium as barium sulfate from a solution containing barium chloride and free hydrochloric acid. The difference between the grammatic analysis and the tiotrometric analysis is there. That is, tiotrometric analysis is to be done in a liquid and the result it will come in a liquid state. Whereas in grammatic analysis, worldwide we are to be having that much more importance, and it is in a solidic state. The result or the product which will come in a solid. So the grammatic estimations which gives that a pure form of the element. The terms used in a grammatic analysis that we have to understand: grammatic estimation of iron, that is the first practical, as Fe2O3 from a solution which is containing ferrous ammonium sulfate and free sulfuric acid. So it is a mixture which is to be unknown quantity, it is supplied to you in a grammatic flask. So we have to estimate the iron quantity which is present in it. This is your grammatic practical, and that is to be done in a from solution we have to take that iron in a pure state. So the result it will come, that is the grams per liter. Grammatic analysis is the type of quantitative analysis in which result product is solid, and that's what weighed in a grams per liter, and this is the unit. Grammatic analysis is isolating, that is separating and weighing the element or its definite compound in a pure form. So as like a iron we have to take that compound, that is Fe2O3. From the given unknown quantity which is supplied to you in a flask of solution in a grammatic flask, we have to find out the particular element in pure solid form of compound. The reagent which is used to precipitate the particular element is known as precipitating agent. So in an iron, we are to be precipitating iron, we have to use that precipitating agent as a NH4Cl and ammonium nitrate. Most of the precipitates are produced in the presence of one or more soluble compounds. Due to washing this soluble, unwanted ions or compounds are removed. Washings are done by hot distilled water to remove unwanted ions and gets element in a pure form. So washing is necessary. There are the steps in a grammatic analysis that in every practical we have to first of all do the dilution. Second, it is a pipette out measured amount of the solution by taking precautions. Third, it is the precipitation to be done for the pure form. Then digestions to grow the crystal growth, and removal of interfering element or weigh in dry conditions are the major important steps of the grammatic analysis. Dilution is done by taking correct precautions such as pipette out till the mark and pour correctly by using thumb, so that measure correct amount of 10 ml solution will be in a 500 ml Borosil beaker, and the unknown given amount can be easily calculated corresponding to 100 ml dilution solution. For the precipitation, we have to add specific precipitating agent. For the ion precipitation, Fe3 plus as FeOH thrice is done by adding ammonium chloride cause of common ion effect to control the OH minus ion, that is hydroxyl ion concentration NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide, which is to be added as a 1:1 proportion, drop by drop, by taking a proper precautions. Brown colored Fe3 plus precipitate alone quantitatively measured. Fe is third B group element, and that's what the reagents which are used to precipitate in a proper manner. They are ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide, which avoids the precipitation of interfering and other radicals which are present in the solution. Digestion is the important process in which precipitate is warm for 40 minutes, due to which small particles of precipitate becomes larger and we can filter it in a proper manner. Precipitate becomes granular, which makes the filtration process it's easy, and we can judge the correct amount of an element by the calculation. Filtration should be done by using Wattsman filter paper number 41. Students, you are knowing the filter papers, they are having their numbers by means of the porosity. And Wattsman is the scientist who has invented these papers, and that's what the name of him it is to be given to it. Simple filter paper, it is having larger pores, but whereas the number 1 or 41 filter paper, it is very small, and it is used for suitable for the filtration for iron. 4 hours drying in an oven at 110 degrees centigrade is necessary to get dried solid product, which will give us correct weight. But in a laboratory, we can use the cone also. For weighing, electric oven is used. It requires sintered glass crucible. The difference between empty crucible weight and the crucible with solid product weight will give the answer of the correct solid, and which is measured in a grams per liter. If interfering element is present in the solution, then we have to add the specific reagent in the solution to precipitate it, and we can remove it easily and become confident that our element can get pure form. Thank you. Understand these terms for the grammatic analysis. It is very necessary that you have to be following that major practical worldwide, that is the grammatic analysis. Thank you very much. You are having the two practicals, one is the iron and second it is the barium. So another video I will send you about the iron grammatic analysis. Thank you. Take care.